G'day, and welcome to the Open-Eyed Spider with Jenny Brandis. We are starting with the incoming row, which is worked in half stitch in this pattern. Separate the bobbins so that you have the centre 2 pairs ready to go. Cross, twist, put up the pin, cross, twist. Working down the left side, cross, twist, put up the pin and close the pin with cross, twist. Add a second twist to the right pair and lay them aside. Repeat this for the next 4 pins. Work the centre pin, in this case as the inner pin on the foot side of the PAMMO segment. If you are not working PAMMO, then the incoming row may vary depending on the surrounding lace. Move the work pair to the left side and do the incoming row on the right in the same manner. Taking the centre left pair, we will cross stitch through the next 2 right pairs. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, tension. The next left pair is now worked through the 5 right pairs. Cross, twist, cross, 1. Cross, twist, cross, 2. Cross, twist, cross, 3. Cross, twist, cross, 4. Cross, twist, cross, 5. Count back 3 pairs as the 4th pair becomes the active pair in step 4. Cross stitch through the next 3 left pairs and lay the worker pair aside. Next we work the centre 4 pairs. Cross stitch left pair through the next right pair, then the right pair through the next left pair. Cross stitch the centre left pair through the 3 pairs to the right and put up the pin. Tension. Using the 3rd pair to the left of the pin, cross stitch through the next 2 left pairs, put up the pin and tension. Using the inside pair from the left pin, close the pin with cross stitch through the next left pair. Add 3 twists to the worker pair and hang it off a temporary pin to keep it out of the way. Using the inside pair from the right pin, close the pin with cross stitch through the next right pair. Add 3 twists to the worker pair and hang it off a temporary pin to keep it out of the way. Using the right pair from the left pin, cross stitch through the hanging pair to the right. Using the left pair from the right pin, cross stitch through the 4 pairs to the left. Add 3 twists to the workers and hang on a temporary pin and tension. Using the centre pair, cross stitch through the 2 right pairs. Add 3 twists and hang on a temporary pin, tension. That leaves us 4 pairs. Using the left pair, cross stitch through the pair to the right. Using the right pair, cross stitch through the 3 pairs to the left. Add 3 twists and hang on a temporary pin. Using the right pair, cross stitch through the 2 pairs to the left. Add 3 twists to each pair. Next, using the corner pair, work the closing row in half stitch. Remove the temporary pins on the right, cross, twist, put up the pin and cross, twist, and repeat for the next 3 pins. Repeat down the left closing or outgoing row.